The difference between everyday makeup and stage makeup is totally different. Your everyday makeup is going to be light. It's going to be something that's like unnoticeable. When I say unnoticeable, I don't mean that someone's not going to notice you have makeup on. It's really just going to enhance your appearance and make everything just look lighter, brighter, more put together, more professional. And stage makeup is meant to be that. It's meant to be worn on stage. It's meant to have a lot more definition because people are looking at you from far away. They're also looking at you from inside a dark auditorium onto a bright stage. So it's meant to pop. It's meant to really be obvious. So if you were going to look at someone with stage makeup in normal daylight, they would look ridiculous because there's so much contouring and so much extra makeup that it would be unnatural, but it looks completely natural on stage. Where the daytime makeup, you wouldn't really see it on stage. It would just look very bland and very washed out.